Hello, Surparts Online subscribers. Welcome to Surparts Online. And please do not forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and comment so that we could improve our program, Surparts I Teach, Information Technology Teach. And we learn machine learning in W3 schools. And our previous topic is all about what is all it about? Okay, it's all about Okay, we discussed about percentile, and right now we are going to discuss about big data distribution. So here we have data distribution. Earlier in this tutorial, we have worked with very small amounts of data in our examples just to understand the different concepts. In the real world, the data sets are much bigger, but it can be difficult to gather real world data, at least at an early stage of a project. How can we get big data sets? Create big data sets for testing, we use the Python module NumPy, which comes with a number of methods to create random data sets of any size. So this is the code, guys, to create an array containing 250 random floats between 0 and 5. So let's try it yourself so that we could see our values. So this is our code. Import numpy x numpy dot random dot uniform. So as you can see here, I'm going to explain these three. The 0.0 is the lower limit of our data set, and 5.0 is the upper limit of our data set. And the 250 is the number of data sets, the number of data in our sets. So we can choose 10 here, you can run, and you will get only 10 data. There you go. So you can generate also 10,000 click run. You can have this particular data. You can see the that here. Okay, for 1,000, let's try to run for 1,000. So and there you go. It generated 1,000 data. Okay, so what's next? Next is histogram. So to visualize the data set, we can draw a histogram with the data we collected. We will use the Python module matplotlib to draw a histogram. So this is the code for that, and this is the example output for that particular code, and we will click run example to generate also our own data. So let's click to run. As you can see, guys, I'm going to run this one and try to look at the code that is generating the output, as you can see here, and I'm going to click again, and the code is different. As what you can notice, we have different values. Why is this so? Why the values are not the same? Okay, that's correct. Yes, you're correct, because we're generating a random number. You can see here random dot uniform. We created a uniform number, a random number for our data. So that's why every time we're going to click the run, we have different results. Okay, so just copy all the codes here and you can generate the data. As you can see here, there are five. As you can see, there is the histogram, the value of x and the 5 here. That is the 5 bars, the 0 to 1, the 1 to 2, the 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and the 4 to 5 values. And you can have the different values with it. You can change that actually if you want. If you want to have here 10, you can have that. And that would be the number of bars that would come out in your histogram. So there you go. This is our first bar, the second bar, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, the ninth, and the 10th. So this is from the values from 0 to zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.5 to 1. Okay. Can I do this with 100? Yes, of course you can do that. But as you can see on the bars, there are already 100 bars on it, and the bars would look small. There you go. You have that data. And let's proceed now. Okay, that's the explanation. We already explained that. Then we have the big data distributions. An array containing 250 values is not considered very big But now you know how to create a random set of values, and by changing the parameters, you can create the data set as big as you want. So here, on this particular example, let's try to click this one. We change the value to one. Is this 100,000? Yeah, 100,000 data in our data set. And we also take note on these are 100 bars. Actually, you can change this to 10 if you want. Okay, so you will have only 10 bars now. There you go, you only have 10 bars. And if you're going to have this as 5, and let's try to see what would be the result. Every run would be a different value um, because um, it's a random. We're generating random numbers here. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you learned something. On our next topic, we're going to discuss about normal data distribution. Please do not forget to like and say something about what you've learned in data distribution. Thank you very much. Always remember, learning is lifetime. Bye, everyone. Please share to your classmates and friends. And by the way, I also want to invite you guys in my coaching about touch typing, speed typing. If you want to improve your typing speed, you can. I have it coaching there in Parts Online, and also I also have a what you call this one, a life coaching program. Yeah, I have a life coaching program, and hopefully that would be in this year. I'm going to have some live coaching sessions. I hope you will be part in all our activities in our Center Parts Online. I would like also to invite you in our chess programs. You can join in our join button for all the programs that we have in Center Parts Online. So please watch our other IT tutorials. We have programming in Java. We have a tutorial for that. And also, we're planning to have a Python tutorial in the future for the Python basics. We're going to have a tutorial for that too. But this one is made for my students in Introduction to Data Science about machine learning. We are now in our final term, and hopefully this particular video can help you guys in in making our learning easier, faster, funnier. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. Always remember, learning is lifetime. Bye, everyone.